Firstly, remove the engine cover. This is simply lifted off the engine. There are 3 10mm bolts and 2 retaining clips holding the injector cover. These will need to be removed to access the rail sensor. There are also 2 bolts holding a bracket in front of the injector cover. It is helpful to loosen these to assist in removing the injector cover. Unclip cables and pipework from the injector cover and then lift it out of place. We can now access the rail pressure sensor. And the boost sensor. Remove the factory rail connector by lifting up its locking tab and pulling back the connector. Connect the factory rail connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Connect our rail harness plug to the rail sensor. Remove the boost connector by pushing down on its releasing tab, then pulling back on the connector. Connect our boost harness plug to the boost sensor. Connect the factory boost connector to the corresponding plug on the supplied wiring loom. Replace the rubber injector cover. This may need tucking back into place. Replace all removed components. Connect the unit to the wiring loom, then place it into the provided protective bag. Route the tuning box and wiring harness away from direct heat or moving parts. Secure the unit and tidy the wiring harness with the cable ties provided. Replace the engine cover by pushing it back into place. Finally, ensure that the LEDs illuminate in accordance with the supplied instructions.